In a world not designed with everyone in mind, these people face daily challenges that often go unnoticed. Today, we ask a simple question. What would an accessible India mean for you?
When people saw us walking in the clutches, they would talk back of us and they'll tell that we are like that. An auto facility will not be good for us. When we stretch our hand and ask for help, they'll not respond. They can improve the auto facility for us.
She's facing problem with studying, especially in science, social, maths, and she cannot read, she cannot understand. She cannot walk on the roads alone. She cannot hear no. Recently, one of our sir met accident. He also hearing impaired. That's the reason is she was studying.
ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೋರ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಸೆಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಆಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೌಸ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರೋಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇನಕ್ಕೂ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ. ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
Well, I would say the biggest barrier that I have faced is attitudinal barrier. If it is the attitude of the society that changes, or attitude of people, I think people make the government, people make the community, people make institutions. So if it's the attitude that changes, obviously a lot of other barriers are removed. Once you know what needs to be done, what can make things better, how I can be included, how I can be part of you, you will obviously change a lot of things for me. The biggest issue I would say is awareness. It is very easy to make preconceived notions or to assume a lot of things. I would say it is more important for people to ask questions. If you do not know, if you do not understand, please ask questions rather than just assuming.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮಾತು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ.
Accessible India means where we can move easily without thinking we can go out. For me, accessible India is when we don't have those thoughts and we are free to go outside and explore the world with others. Current issues I face is the footpaths of our country. The footpaths of our country are not proper. In case if we use crutches, the footpaths are not placed in such a way we can use those crutches in a proper manner. There are chances that I fall on the footpaths, and public transports are not so accessible because the steps are not so accessible so that we can climb those footpaths.
Let us all be the change for these amazingly talented people by fostering inclusivity and advocating for accessibility.